Hello everyone, welcome to the kitchen. Today I will introduce the safety instructions in the kitchen to make sure every step can work safely. It's compulsory to wear uniform in the kitchen. The kitchen uniform with cap, shirt, pants, and boots, from head to feet. Also, remember to wear aprons and gloves when start working. Before start working, please wash hands with soap and wash every side of the hands. And remember to turn off the tap with your elbow. This can make sure your hands are clean. And cut the nail frequently if they're long. Take out the knife from the knife kit and put it on the side of the leg. This can avoid the blade hurt another one. Even do not show the knife blade anytime when passing the knife. There are 6 different kinds of chopping boards in the kitchen. The green board for chopping fruit and vegetables. The red board for chopping raw meat. The yellow board for chopping raw poultry. The blue board for chopping raw fish or seafood. The white board for chopping bread and dairies. The brown board for chopping cooked meat. When chopping something, use the following chop board and a big knife and a small knife. The small knife is for chopping something small, such as apple, strawberry, or the kiwi fruit. The big knife is for chopping something such as stone melon, watermelon, and vegetables for something are big. When chopping something, the left hand should be in a claw to hold the food. This can avoid the knives cut on fingers and make injuries. When delivering something in the kitchen, please make sure the kitchen environment is clean. Do not block barriers on the walkways. When passing behind someone, please sit behind for reminding. Wrap the food in the metal container with the plastic wrap. This can make sure the food can avoid from the bacteria. Like this to pull out the plastic wrap and cover it on the metal container. Then slide the zip for slicing. And now it's wrapped. The next step is choose a label for labeling on the container. Choose a label with following day and write down all the information and details on it. Then stick it on the container with a wrap. After the labeling, the food should be stored in the fridge. There are 2 fridges in the kitchen. One is for the lunch, one is for the dinner. This can avoid the dangerous zone of the foods between 5 degrees to 60 degrees, which zone can make bacteria growing rapidly. In the fridge, put the food container on the shelf and leave here immediately or be a snowman. When leaving the fridge, please ring the bell on the door or bump someone. On the last step of clean the kitchen, please use the water and soap to brush it. Then use the red cloth and the sanitizer to polish the bench. When mopping the floor, please use the bucket and the mop, and then mop either side of the floor. After that, please sign a coin of the wet floor. In the last, take all trashes in following trash bin, and don't let them in the kitchen.